Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from X. It's called All I Have. So X, we had before here on Gorn Guitar with songs like Let You Go, Your Love, perhaps some song more as well. I'm not sure about a couple times before. This time All I Have. So we're gonna play this one with a capo set here on the second position. Alright, second fret, and with that we have 5 different grips we're gonna work with. So I'm gonna go over the grips first and how to play them, and then we're gonna go through the different parts. So let's go with the different grips here. We have this grip here. It's based upon a B minor chord. So you are at the 7th fret here, and you're just gonna work with 2 different strings here throughout the song. So that will be the E string, this one, the bass, and then we have the G string. Okay, so that's the 2 strings we're gonna work with. So just different positions here. So B minor here, you are at 7th fret. So 7th fret with the E string and 7th fret with the G string. So that's how I hold it. You're gonna play this. It's 1 round. Okay, so that is E, G, then E, and 2 times on G string. So slowly. And a couple of rounds. Okay, so that is the rhythm, and that will be the rhythm for all of these chords here, or grips, just the different positions there. So that is the B minor. Then we have the F sharp minor. It's at this position here, the same grip there, but at the 2nd fret. So 2nd E and 2nd G. Same playing there, same string. So E, G, E, and G, G. The next grip is a G-based grip here, like this. So that will be the 3rd fret on E string, and you combine that with the 4th fret on G. The same rhythm goes. Then we have the A. You take the same grip there for G and move it 2 frets towards you like this. You land with the 5th fret on the E string and 6th fret on G. That will be the A grip. So E, G, E, G, G when it comes to the string. So, and the easiest one is the last one, the E minor based, and it's just the open strings E and G. That's it. So B minor, F sharp, G, A, and E minor. So that is what we're gonna work with. So we have first the intro, or actually we can save that later. We can start first with the first verse here. So that will be B minor, 4 rounds. So then F sharp minor, 4 rounds. And then E minor, 8 rounds. And that is the verse play. Then comes the chorus play. We have B minor 4, we have A 4, then you move to G 4 and E minor 4. So 2, 3, 4. B minor, then A 4, and then G 4, and E minor 4. So 1 round goes. That is one chorus play. Then comes the second verse, and why I say the intro is because you're gonna play the second verse in the same way as the intro. So the intro and the second verse will be B minor 4, F sharp minor 4, then G4 and E minor 4. So B minor, then F sharp, then G4, and E minor 4. Yeah, slipped a little bit there. I think you understand. One round goes. Just move on like that. And that is the second verse and intro there, the same. And then we have the outro part left, and this is just to pick the two strings simultaneously together like that. So depending on what chord you're gonna play, you just pick them without one time with a big pause in between. So you're gonna play F sharp grip, pick like that one time, and then you go to G, and then you go back to F sharp again, and then to G again, and then you go to the A grip, and then to G, and then to F sharp, and then you finally pick the G. And that is how the song ends. And that is the outro part I just learned, teach here, and that starts about 3 minutes and 25 seconds into the song and goes till the end in the same way as we played it. So that pretty much covers Riot X, All I Have. So beautiful songs coming from Riot X, and yeah, if you like Riot X, feel free to subscribe to this channel. We'll be back again for sure. That's for sure. Yeah. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. Feel free to support me anyway, and I hope to see you here again very soon. Till next time, play tuned.